In this video, I'll show you how to recover Monzo pin. So if you put the wrong pin in too many times when making a payment, Monzo will block your card to keep it safe. So you can recover your pin by following these steps. So first of all, you have to go to the home tab of your Monzo app. And then you have to scroll to the card of the affected account. And then you have to tap card details underneath your card, or if you are using the new home screen, you have to select the card option. And then you have to follow the steps. You will need your card, your ID, and to take a selfie videos. The Monzo will never ask you for your PIN, long card number, or 3 digits from the back of your card. So please keep this a secret even from the Monzo. And once the Monzo verified your identity, they will unblock your PIN and show you a reminder or what it is. So here's how you can recover the Monzo pin. So thank you.